Hey, what's up, everyone? Those who are watching my channel the first time, I'm Indy Mann. I'm a property developer, property investor. I'm back at one of my properties projects in Wolverhampton. Um, I gotta go inside and have a look. All the electrics have been done, so let's go inside, have a look. I wanted to see whether they've left all the points for lights and everything, and all the plugs, all the switches in the right places where I asked them. So I'm gonna go inside and have a look, and hopefully, fingers crossed, everything should be in the place where it should be. So yeah, let me take you inside and let's go and have a look. So here we are. I've just come out of my car, and I'm gonna take you inside the house, and then I'm gonna show you where we have left the points for all the electrics. And phase one of electrics is done. Now the build has been very good. They've let me film first, so they've moved out of the way, they've gone out of the scene. Thanks to them for this. Don't want to disturb them too much, so let's crack on with it, and I'll show you where we have left the points, why we have left the points where we have for all the electrics, and the people who don't know, never seen what it looks like when the house is gutted and the new brand new electrics go in. This is a good this will be a good video for you guys to watch. And remember, you can join me at my Mann's Academy to learn more about property. Make sure you like and subscribe this channel as well, because I'll be putting lots more content a lot quicker. Past few years I was not active on YouTube, but now I'll be putting a lot more of my work on YouTube for you guys to see and hopefully learn from. And then any questions you have, you can always drop me a message, or always happy to help anybody. So without wasting your time, let's show you the scene. Okay, I've just switched my camera around. As we walk into the house, let me step back a little bit. I wanted a point for light here as well in the patio area, which they haven't left one there. So it's always a good thing to keep visiting the site regularly, because some work which has not been done properly, you can at least point it out to the electricians, to the builders beforehand, before they go to the next phase, because then it gets really hard to rectify things. So anyway, walking in, we're gonna have studio lights in the hallway. This is the hallway, and this wall is coming out anyway. It's all this wall is coming out. We're just waiting for the structural engineer's email. So anyway, so yeah, so we've left the points. As you can see, these wires hanging down, therefore the spotlights in the ceilings as you walk in. And then to our right hand side here, we got our front room. So again, as you can see, these wires hanging down, these are for spotlights, further spotlights in this room, in the front living room. Here's our supply of the builders for the next phase now, which they're gonna start crack on with it once I've stepped out of here, out of the house. So, and then as you can see, they're leaving these, they put these metal strips on the walls, and that's how they're done for the plugs to be left. So in this instance, we've got a plug there, we got a plug there on the chimney, which will be for the the TV, to hang the TV there. And we're gonna put a nice heater in there. So we've left a point at the back for this. Well, it's not a heater, it's just a show heater, because this place can have central heating anyway. So yeah, and then we're gonna leave. We got the points here on this side as well for for a plug. And so yeah, that's our front room. Another plug there, and the light switch will be there. So as we come out of the living room, we go into the bedroom. This bedroom, the extension is this bit is coming out, and then we're gonna put another stud wall starting from this post here rather than here. So we're taking this much room from the bathroom into the bedroom, because this bedroom was really small. Bedrooms, we leave in just one point on the ceiling for the light bulb. We've done that on purpose. You don't want too much light in the bedroom when you're about to go to sleep at night. So yeah, so again, same light switch, a plug there in the walking into the room, and there's going to be points on both sides there. So if someone wants to put their bed on that, against that wall, they can have their tables on the side as well, charging points for the phone, and stuff like that. So then coming out of the first bedroom, we go into the second bedroom. Again, light switch there, 2 points left there for the plugs, sockets to go in. So if you can imagine a bed there, and then tables on both sides of it, bedside tables. So we left 2 points there, but then again we have left another point in the room as well. So just in case someone doesn't like my idea of having the bed there, they can have it even against this wall. So they've still got 2 sockets on both sides, to use, which is handy. Plus again, it's a bedroom, you can see just one point for light here as well downstairs, although the theme changes upstairs. And yeah, again in the hallway we got switches for lights here as well. And in the bathroom we have in studio lights, so that's why you see lots more wires hanging down off the ceiling here. That's the bathroom. Kitchen, the best part of the house. It will be anyway. It doesn't look it right now, but it will be once we're done with it. So yeah, in the kitchen we're gonna have 8 lights, 8 to 10 lights. The studio lights, it's all gonna be studio lights. You're not seeing many wires hanging down here. The reason being, we are waiting for this staircase to be removed and this wall to be removed. Then the electrician is just gonna come one of the days and just complete this little bit as well. Although they have all the wirings has been put in, they just need to drop the points down, like you can see here. Look, let me just extend my camera a bit. This wire here hanging down, but then if you can see that gray wire going across, so they have actually left the wires there where we want our connections. Okay, so yeah, so and then again there's obviously the kitchen is going to be against this wall. Around there's going to be sink and a sink, everything there. Then where I'm standing here, there's going to be an island here, and this will be the pantry area, washing machine, dryer and stuff like that. So all the plugs, all the sockets, sorry, are pre-planned, so we have left points for them already. So nobody who buys this house or moves into this house actually struggles with the lack of sockets. So let me take you upstairs once, and I'll show you what we're doing. Again, once this staircase comes out, so we've left a socket there as well. This is going to be open plan kitchen, so we left them with plenty of sockets where they can use for light switches and stuff like that, and plus to charge their phones, or if somebody wants to put a TV there, So coming upstairs into the dormer now. Dormer, again, obviously it's a bedroom, 3rd bedroom upstairs, but I have changed the plan a little bit here. because what we're doing is we're having 4 spotlights here. You can see hanging down the wires hanging down here all around. uh, the reason being we're having spotlight here is because initially I wanted a just one light here in the middle, like downstairs bedrooms, but then our stairs are gonna come up from here, and when we were gonna put a light for the stairs, it would have looked odd because this light, the main light in the room, would have been a lot higher than the light in the staircase, so it wouldn't have looked nice. So we have gone with the spotlights in here, so it will improve the whole look of the room. So that's why I've done that. But yeah, hi, I'm back again. um, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you seen, just it was a brief video, not long, but I hope you seen how the new electrics are put into the house, and that's the general structure of layout of the electrics, what the electricians do. And but always remember that you make sure that when the electricians are doing the work like this, that you come down at least once a day, and once they've gone through so much of work, and actually tell them if there is anything wrong beforehand. Because like I said earlier, once they have done the job, once the job has gone moved forward onto the next phase, which is putting the plaster boards and stuff like that, and then obviously plastering, skimming, then it gets very hard. And then if you do have to change something, then it's a matter of you're ripping walls out, you're ripping plasterboards, you're making, or you're leaving the wires hanging outside, which doesn't look professional. So yeah, try to, that's why I like to come to my projects myself and make sure everything is done the way I want it. The way I want to leave it for the next person, whoever purchases this place or lives in this place, to make it as convenient as possible for them, to enjoy this property. So that's the end goal. So always look after your customers, and stay on top of your tradespeople. That's the only way you're gonna get things done. Because if you tell them on the right time, they can do it no problem, and then you won't annoy them in a sense. Anybody would be annoyed otherwise. So work with them. They're very good people, and they will look after you if you look after them, in a sense that you give them the right information at the right time, which will make their life easier, and it will make your life easier, and it'll save you a lot of this money in the long run as well. Okay, so plan ahead always. And I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, leave me a comment. And if you want to see any other stuff what I'm doing here, and if you want to see it, any questions you want to ask, or any further videos you want me to make in more detail regarding this property right now, let me know, mention in comments, and I will do that. I'm gonna keep making videos and showing you every phase of our work anyway. So yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe the channel, and God bless you all. See you soon.